Oh, yeah, Allah, yeah, Allah, yeah. I was in the right track of silent night. Fast was my duty, Quran was my guide. But then Shaitan crept in with whispers so sly. Tell me to forget the promises I made high. They show me the world with all its delight, and made me forget the hell of us pain in light. I fell to temptation and strayed from the way, and now I'm lost and confused every day. I need you, your guidance, a lot of on my way, to see the truth and drive the darkness away. Help me return the path straight and true, 'cause I long for your journey through daily renew. Open my eyes, oh Allah, guide me through. Show me the path that leads to Jannah new. Help me see the right from the wrong, and keep me strong against the Shaitan's soul. Shaitan in disguise to forbid with his sin, made me think so harmless and that I shouldn't retreat. But deep inside I know to all just a lie. They try to keep me from reaching the sky. It is night and enemy always on the prowl, try to keep me from reaching my goal. But I won't give up, oh Allah, won't lose my way. I'll keep on striving to see the dawn of day. Open my eyes, all and keep my heart aside. Help me stay focused, the path that's alright. Keep me safe from Shaitan's evil grasp, and guide me to the Jannah at last. Open my eyes, oh Allah, guide me through. Show me the path that leads to Jannah new. Help me see the right from the wrong, and keep me strong against the Shaitan's soul. Open my eyes, oh